So I am going to cut the fruits for us. I'll give everybody a fruit to find out if your fruits have seeds. Okay? All right? Do you think the watermelon have seeds? How can you see the seeds? But I can't see the seeds. Are you sure? We are going to find out pretty soon. What do you see here? Grapes. Are you sure the grapes have seeds? Are you sure? What happens if you open and there are no seeds in there? So how do we get grapes? Do we plant the seeds or we plant the entire grapes? What do we do? You plant the seeds. Okay, we'll find out. It begins the letter sound lemon. You think lemon has seeds?
Yes.
Are you sure? Take out the seeds.